Hi foodies, Chef Abyssinia here, and I am back with another recipe video. Today we are making these fall off the bone ribs. Oh my gosh, these are perfect for the summer. Anytime you want to grill, perfect. Alright, so start with some ribs. These are pork ribs. You can use baby back ribs, you can use spare ribs, whatever you choose. The most important thing here is to remove the membrane that is on the back of the ribs where the bones are. Okay, make sure you remove this. It's not that easy, but it's really not that hard. As you can see here in this video, I'm having a little bit of a hard time with it, but you got this. I have faith in you. Just try to slide your finger underneath the membrane, and then once you get it under there, slowly pull the membrane off from the bones, just like this. Okay, this is key because if you skip this step, you will not have fall off the bone ribs. Sorry to tell you. Also, if you cook your ribs with the membrane, they will just get chewy and tough and just not good. Okay guys, don't skip this step. From here, we're gonna start with a dry rub. The recipe for the dry rub is below. The full recipe is below. So generously rub your ribs with your dry rub, front and back of the ribs. As you can see here, I have aluminum foil on the bottom of my baking dish, and this is key for an easy cleanup, guys. Alright, so the oven does most of the work. We don't want to have to scrub dishes later. Put aluminum foil on the bottom of your pan, and then place aluminum foil on the top of your ribs, and then place them in the oven to cook. Okay, so cooking times below in the full recipe. Once your ribs are halfway done, take them out and then flip them over. These ribs aren't even done yet, and they look pretty dang good. Another thing to do here is to add some liquid to the bottom of your dish. This will provide moisture to your ribs as they cook, and it will also keep the sugar from caramelizing and burning. Place the foil back on your ribs and then continue the cooking process. And this is the final result. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. These ribs look really good. They're coming off the bone so easily, and they don't even have barbecue sauce on them yet. Can you believe that? So this rib right here, you're gonna take this rib and throw it on the grill. Let it get that nice grill flavor, that nice grill crust. Throw some barbecue sauce on it, and bam, amazing, delicious. Alright guys, there you have it. Amazing fall off the bone barbecue ribs. These ribs are great all year round, but if you're making them in the summer, go ahead and throw them on the grill, finish them with barbecue sauce, and you are good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video.